So the key to the cost averaging is all about your first trade. So your first trade can't be an outrageous number. Like, if you got $1,000 account, then that first trade really shouldn't be more than like 20, 30 cents. And that's because we need room to get us out of trouble. So if I was to put a 20 cent trade in right here, let's just say this red line, because this was my fib level and it came up to the next resistance area here at 45 pips. I'm like, okay, well, let me double down what I just traded. So if I had 20 cents on it, all right, I need to put another 20 cent trade in. So now I have 40 cents on the line, but instead of this trade needing to come back down 40 pips, it only needs to come 20 pips for me to break even, which is about right around here. All right. So, of course, as you see, it came back down to this level, around 20 pips. So you would have broke even and gotten out. But of course, I didn't do that. So that was another level. So let's say you wanted to wait it out and you messed up. It went up again. Well, the next level of resistance was up here, okay, around 86 pips. So you can put in another trade, but this time you can't do another 20 cent trade. You have 40 cents on the line. You got to double your trade. So you have to put now a 80 cent trade in. But with you putting that 80 cent trade in right here, you don't have to get back down 90 pips. You only have to get half of that back down. 45 pips, which is right here. But as you can see, it didn't do that. Now, I didn't double down on it anymore because it kept running, but I actually got in like right here. All right, so, yep. We're approaching 100, and I just did buy some more right now. Well, not buy. I put in another sell up here. But essentially, with the cost averaging, all right, if I'm here, this was my next line that I put in my next trade at 48 pips for a sell, and I doubled down. So then I got two standards on it, and I just put another standard lot up here on it. So I have four standards on it. But instead of me needing to get all the way back down to 109 pips to break even, I only need to get to here to break even, which is the fib line. So it protects me in case I do stupid trades. But this takes practice. Like, I'm not telling you guys to do this. So, don't try this at home, because you might mess around and blow your account. But if you have a demo, which you should, do it on your demo account, practice it, because it essentially gets you out of any trade. But you have to have the capacity in your account. You cannot over leverage, because if you don't have the money in your account for us to keep putting in trades, it's going to cash you out, and it's going to close that trade out no matter what you got. So the very first trade is key. Like, you can literally go from a 10-cent trade all the way up to a standard lot when it comes to cost averaging. So you need to make sure your account is positioned and can handle that. Sure, he needs it by tomorrow morning. So it's our mission to rescue. You see, I think I've looked at all of them. Yeah, let me look at these comments, shout it, which I want to know. Yeah. Missed that USD JPY one. Let me see, did I answer your questions? Hope I got you straight right there, Maurice. Gold. My bad. Let me look at this gold. All right, what we got on the gold? XAU. Oh, it did me dirty. Can you erase my chart like that? That can't be real. Oh. Okay. Go. I wouldn't fuck with, mess with gold. All right, so we can draw some things up for the gold. Hold on, give me some time.
We have to find a dumpster, climb into the air vent there, crawl through the ducts, then zip line down into the hole, or we can just follow him inside.
Can you put this in the Telegram when I give you the call for gold?
The shirts are all in the back, but the tracks are really blocking.
Glossy is poker for. See,
now's our chance. Go.
All right, so for the gold, we're going to trap her in a closet. Boom. All right, so for the gold, oh, I did not mean to open no books. Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, thanks. All right, for the gold, put a buy limit in at 1182.10, 1182.10 with a stop loss.
Maybe if I climb up there, I'll have a better view.
118020. 118020. What is? All right. Take profit, of course. You know, we could do a 1193. A 1193. 119180 for a TP1. TP2 119995. And TP3 is going to be 120706. And that's also going to be the sell limit for gold. So put the sell limit at 120706 and your TP3 for the buy limit. Sell limit is there. Stop loss is going to be 121331. TP 119718. TP2 119076. Let me say bye-bye to Facebook. Can we talk about BACT and how to trade crypto on this platform? Gold be tripping. But we got it in that box, though. If we contain it in that box, you see there's plenty of money to be made in it. Let me see back. I don't know what is. I mean, is this something on here? BAK.
It's sort of like
KT. You got to tell me what that one is, brother. I don't even. Check that out. BAKK.
What's Bitcoin been doing lately?
Twerking. Like the slow twerk. The
Really?
arm movement twerk.
So like the white girl twerk.
Yeah. Well, you know. Oh, it's crypto. Crypto. Got you. I don't know what has been going off all day, but I got too many tabs open. I don't know what's going on. I have to look into that coin. You know, I have a thing with coins. You never know, man. It's a flip of a coin to figure out which coin is the best one to get. If you know how to manage your money correctly, you should diversify your money throughout all of the coins. You know, just see which one takes off. You know, do your research, try to figure out which one is not a scam the best that you can. And, you know, you're taking a risk. That's part of investing. Investing is taking a risk. It's a gamble. So if you're not ready to gamble and lose money, don't invest, and instead hop on over to the Elite Fortune Group, and we can show you how to make some money that you can invest. That's what we're doing. You know, you dig. Why is it back on that screen? Stay right here. Stay. All right. But yeah, Maurice, I'll be showing more about crypto, as well as we'll have some opportunities to be exchanging more cryptocurrency inside what we have going on. And I'll show you how to move money and things like that in the crypto space so we can keep more of our money as long as we're in crypto, because they can't touch it and they don't know where it's going. Well, you do it right. You got to do it right, though. You got to do it right. Once again, if you want to know more information, visit road2legend.com/webinar replay. And you can find out more about the Elite Fortune Group, as well as the Boiler Room, where we have live trade access, and I send out the signals. And that is all I have for you guys. Facebook, enjoy your night. Now, to the clients.
See.
Now, when we go to look at our strategy right here, I'm going to go over this strategy of how to draw it up. Let me see. I'll draw it up on the USD. What is that?
You know what that sounds like?
I don't know.
That's like, it's a messenger app. It kind of sounds like Facebook Messenger, the notifications for Facebook Messenger.
Oh, so I didn't have, you can talk. It's cool.
This is USD JPY?
Yeah, but it's on another exchange, so I'm just teaching how to draw up the chart. So if you go to your fib retracement, you just want to go to your lowest point on the chart, okay, and take it up to your highest point that is reached on whatever your view is on the current screen. So I'm here. That's on my day, all right? Make sure you're doing this on the day. I then want to look to see, did it have a swing at any point that I could draw up some more stuff? The more you draw, the more you see. The more you see, the more you can
The more money you make.
That too. So I'm here, boom. Once again, it's all on the day chart, so I'm going to keep the colors the same. Now, I don't have any more swings seriously to look at. You know, you can do this one, but it came down way more than half of the previous, so it's too close for me. But now that I have those, I want to look at my hour chart, and as you can see, there's no trades for me to get into on this one. So, it's about being patient. Now, if you want to get into trades with this still, you can start putting support and resistance. So here's a nice, strong resistance line, that it went through earlier and came back down. But you could look at this trade right across there and put it in and do the same exact strategy, just like Fib. So since it crossed the line, is not hot right now. We need closure on the 1 hour. Well, matter of fact, it might be. Let's see. Hold on. I'm looking on the day. So you just come right here, and I'm looking for the most wick touches. All the way across on the day, this is where the most of my wick touches were. So now that I have that, let me change this color. All right. Let me thin this line out a little bit. And remember, it's a zone, guys. It's not an exact number. It's a zone. So I'm here. That's where it hit. I'm going to treat it just like I tell you guys with the Fib. All right. This is my line. When it closes under it, this line's going to be hot on an hour. So let's see what it's looking like on the hour. So this line is hot. If it comes back up and touches this line, we're going to get into this trade for a sell. Now, where will we have our TP? I always say 20 pips. So let's see. What do we have here? Came down 26 pips. So that's why we don't get into this. And as you can see, this was a resistance level. So let's go back to our day. We need to know, we found a resistance, but where is the support for that? All right, so as I scan back in time on the day, I'm just looking. All right, this is where most of my wick touches were. So I'm going to come here, in the line again. All right. And boom. Now, when I go to look on my hour, look, I just look for where the lines were. So I'm playing in between the box. Once again, stop loss for here. I'm looking previously back here. All right, this is where it was before at about 9 pips. I need to go about 2 pips down. We'll take it to about 12 pips. All right, and then boom, that's my stop loss, my take profit. TP1, I'm just looking for wick touches. Here you go. Here's the wick touches across. That's where TP1 is, 25 pips. TP2, right above it. Just looking for wick touches. TP3, we're going to do the same thing, but we only got these two right here in these bottom. So this is TP3 right there. TP4 is right here. It's a waiting game. And boom. That is how you do it. That simple. Fibs or support and resistance. Practice drawing this stuff up. Practice trading it on the demo and watch how magic happens. I know it sounds complicated.
No, it doesn't.
Sounds easy.
I think it sounds easy.
Yeah, it sounds easy, but people going to make it complicated. But that's why we're here to help support you. So draw up those charts. I can take a look at them, and we can make sure that you get it right. So hopefully you can start to understand and see different trades so we all can just trust each other to get into these trades. Any other questions?
You want to do some chart drawing live with the student?
right now.
Yeah. See?
What do you need to draw? What do you need to draw?
I mean, doesn't matter. I can just do the one that you just did.
Go ahead. Take the screen. Hold on.
Take the screen. Okay. Oh, Jesus.
We're having too much fun.
All right, so you see me now. You see me now?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm going to grab my fibs over here. And I'm looking for the swing high and the swing low, right? Swing high, swing low. How far back should I go? Does it matter?
As much as you can get in your screen.
As much as I can get on my screen. Okay, I'm missing like, oh no, I'm not. That's the end of it. Okay, so I see this one down here. Ooh, these colors are a bit much. I'm going all the way up there. And then, let's see, I'll just stay over here. But that's the highest and the lowest that I see, right?
Correct.
So then,
Stop moving the chart, girl.
Hmm?
Stop moving the chart.
I'm sorry.
Now take it to where, like, you still got some more data you can go back on.
Back this way, to the left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it all the way right there.
Here?
Nope. Go back to where time currently is. You just want to see it to the current day.
Okay, so I need to go this way. This is the current day.
Too much space. Like, just take that space all the way to the current day so we can see how much back. I told you get as much in your screen as you can.
Okay, how do I do that? I don't understand.
Just moving it too much. Move it back over to the left a little.
Huh?
Move it back over to the left.
Move it back over this way?
Yes, and stop right before current day gets out of the screen.
Okay.
You went too far.
I know. Damn trackpad. Okay. Like right here?
Right there is fine. Cool.
Okay.
All right, now draw. So, see.
Draw.
Now, do you see the other swing?
I see. I don't see. Because it's like a big old downtrend right here, right? So
Right.
technically there's one here going backwards the other way.
No.
No?
Uh-uh. Look forward. But look at the whole line. Don't pay attention to all the little other small bumps and distractions.
Okay.
Look at the line as a whole. So
I see that it came up here and then it went all the way back down, right?
All right, now go forward.
Now go forward. Back to the left?
No, to the right. Now what did it do when it went up? It went up. How high did it go up?
It went all the way up here.
All right, and then what happened?
And then it went back down here.
Is that not a swing?
Oh, yes. So where do I start the point at?
From the swing low, back up to the high.
Right here.
Yep.
I'm going forward. I'm so rusty, so just bear with me.
You rusty.
Doesn't click funnels anymore. Right here?
No, all the way to the top.
All the way to the top. There. Here. I should change this color, or it doesn't matter.
Bro, keep it the same. Now go to your 4 hour and do the same thing.
Go to the 4. Where's the chart? Oh, there it is. Oh, there's some more in here. Okay. So now I can change my color.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna change it to something less shocking to look at. Let's try red. Oopsie daisy, no bitch. Okay, so. All right, so on the 4 hour, all right, I'm starting to see some channels here, but this one is another one, right? When it came down here. It went up here. Well, it didn't go anywhere else. Do I still bring this line all the way up? Hello?
From your lowest all the way to the highest of which you can see.
Oh, so I'm still going.
Yep. You're always going to take it to the highest of the screen. What's in the screen? That's why I say don't move the screen.
Okay. All right. And then do I go back and do more? Back in time?
Yep.
Okay.
Why do you keep moving that screen?
Huh? I don't, this is how I usually move it. Like I don't feel like I'm doing anything that I don't normally do.
Stop moving the screen because you're messing up your drawing. Just keep it to where current price is at and draw from there as much as you can see on the screen.
Right here. This is where price currently
Move it
is.
to the right just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Not
To
too
the right, just a tad bit.
right there.
Okay. So here's another one.
Do you see?
I do see now. Okay, there was here, and then it went all the way. Oh, I was like, what are these extra lines? I have the what you call it on.
I don't know what the fuck. I mean, what
MACD, and I don't know why I have that on. It's so confusing right now.
hey,
I don't even know how to take it off anymore. Whatever. I'll figure that out later. Okay. Interesting. What about this point right here? No, yes?
nope.
No. Well, it didn't touch here ever again, so.
But you pretty much covered that swing.
With this one. Yeah,
Right.
with that good line. Okay, so did the daily, did the 4 hour. So now I look at the hour for support and resistance.
Well, now you look at the hour for the strategy of it touching one of those lines for you to get into the trade.
Okay. Let's do it.
The support resistance is just for the greedy traders like myself.
Got it. Who want more confirmations?
We want more. We want more trade.
Oh my God, I've got to get rid of this MACD shit. Oh my gosh. How do I do this? I know it's under indicators. Oh, it's moving average. Is that what this is? Oh, I'm tripping. It's Bollinger Bands. I'm like, duh, there it is. Oh, look at my brain working again. Okay, this looks much better. All right, so Hmm. Well, I'm really waiting for it to come back down here. And then do some things. I'm like, it'd be really great if it came back down here. So now what do I do?
Well, I mean, that's just not a trade that you can get into right now.
Yeah.
That's where you could draw support and resistance, but my advice is just to go on and draw the next thing. You know, you got to go through the charts and see which one is ready. Don't just jump into a trade.
Okay. Thou shalt not be greedy. Got it.
The best thing is to go through all of these and draw them all up.
Well, mine are still drawn up from before. Yay.
There you go. The lines don't change.
Lines don't change.
Now you can just
Bibs don't mind.
doing support and resistance trading on a demo. Same strategy, but you're just looking for the most wick touches from the top and the bottom. So wherever the most wicks can touch, you put a support resistance line in. And you trade it.
Okay, sounds groovy.
All right. Well, that wraps up
Thank you. Still got it, kind of.
nightly trading. I'll see you guys at 3 a.m.
All right, see you at 3.